Today on Brain Body Foods, we will be looking at the top 7 benefits of eating grapes and all its juicy goodness. Welcome to Brain Body Foods. We are a channel where you can make informed decisions about the foods you eat for your brain, body, and overall health. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the button below and press the bell icon to never miss an update again from us. Today, we will unravel all the juicy goodness that comes out of eating grapes. In fact, we will give you 7 of those benefits. Also, while you are watching the videos, be sure to keep an eye out for an awesome fact hidden in the list. Remember to stick around until the very end to find out what the number 1 benefit of eating grapes. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Grapes are the most extensively planted fruit crop in the world. They are grown in different countries including Iran, Chile, Brazil, China, and the United States. Grapes are an antioxidant-rich fruit that is consumed all over the world. They come in different varieties including colors, size, and taste. Grapes are also packed with essential nutrients and vitamins, which takes us to our number 7. Number 7. They are an excellent source of vitamin C and vitamin K. A cup full of grapes contains around 16 milligrams of vitamin C and 22 micrograms of vitamin K. Now you may ask what vitamin C is for. Well, the body utilizes the vitamin C from our diet to make collagen for our joints and skin. L-carnitine is for muscle growth and vitamin C is essential for the formation of neurotransmitters. Vitamin K, on the other hand, helps with bone formation, creating different factors allowing blood to clot, and it regulates calcium levels in the body. Grapes are also rich in potassium, with 1 cup boasting a huge 288 milligram. You may be asking again, what potassium does? Well, potassium is vital because it helps to regulate fluid balance, muscle contraction, and maintain proper nerve signaling. Number 6. Grapes are a potent antioxidant. Multiple studies have concluded that grapes have a potent antioxidant activity. This provides protection of organs such as the heart, liver, blood cells, and brain against oxidative damage. The extracts obtained from grapes, including pulp, skin, seed, and leaf, have high levels of antioxidants. The highest levels of antioxidant compounds are found in grape skin and the seeds. In addition, Resveratrol, a potent antioxidant molecule, is found in higher amounts in red grapes compared to green ones. Additionally, depending on where your grapes come from, if there is an rainfall during the time the grapes are growing, then the amount of resveratrol were higher in the berry skin. Number 5. Grapes have anti-cancer effects. Certain constituents of grapes have been shown to inhibit growth of breast cancer cells by 50% at very low doses. Extracts from the grape stems also inhibited cell proliferation of several cell lines of breast cancer and adenocarcinoma. Studies have looked at different parts of the grape, including skin, pulp, stem, and even the juice derived from it. Various types of grape extracts have been shown to protect and even reduce cancer by reducing inflammation, proliferation, which is the way the cell divides, and blocking the general spread of cancer cells around the body. These benefits have been shown in cell culture and animal studies. The data on human subjects are still varied, but there does seem promise in this area. Number 4. Anti-diabetic effects. Grapes, especially grape seed extracts, have been reported to have anti-diabetic activity in diabetic mouse models, whereby grape seeds and grape skin extracts showed antioxidant effects by protecting against oxidative damage to liver cells. Additionally, the extract increased glucose uptake into cells without affecting insulin levels. Grape extract could protect pre-diabetic mice, in which diabetes was induced by a high-fat diet. There have also been numerous studies done on diabetic mouse and rat models by administering various grape extracts such as red wine, grape leaf, grape seed, and even resveratrol. Studies had reported that the animals who had been administered these extracts orally had lower blood glucose, lower blood triglycerides, and the rodents even exhibited discrete hyperglycemia. If you are enjoying this so far and have some facts or health benefits of grapes that I haven't mentioned yet, or even if you have more suggestions of what food you'd like me to cover, then please comment down in the comment section to let me know. Alright, before I move on, I have some quirky grape fact for you. Fun fact, grapes are actually toxic for dogs. You should never feed your dogs grapes because they are severely toxic for them. In fact, the reason for this is still unknown. There have been reports of dogs eating grapes and exhibit symptoms such as decreased appetite, dehydration, vomiting, and even diarrhea. If they are left untreated, the dogs may suffer from kidney failure, which can be fatal. So if you suspect your or someone's dog has had grapes or raisins, take them to a vet immediately. You should always be mindful of what you feed your pooch. What is good for you may not be good for them. Number 3. Hepatoprotective effects. Grapes are good for the liver. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activities of grapes are responsible for the hepatoprotective effects, which means that the consumption of grapes helps to keep your liver healthy and functional. In mouse and rat studies, different grape extracts were shown to protect the liver by decreasing the activities of liver enzymes, which may overwork and in turn cause damage to the liver tissue. Grape extracts also help to increase levels of endogenous oxidative enzymes. This essentially means that the grape helps to ready our body to battle against oxidative damage to ourselves. Number 2. Grapes are great for the nervous system. Resveratrol, one of the most popular grape derivatives for neuroscience research, has numerous benefits for the brain. In a particular study, the SAMP8 mouse model of Alzheimer's disease was administered resveratrol. The researchers found that resveratrol supplementation increased the life expectancy of the mice. In addition, they found decreased levels of proteins found in the brain of Alzheimer's patients, including amyloid plaque and hyperphosphorylated tau. Resveratrol also decreased the rate of cognitive impairment, which basically means that the mice receiving resveratrol had a better mental function than the mice without supplements. I have linked the paper below for those who want to have a read of the study mentioned here. In fact, there are quite a lot of studies done on mice, rats, and trials on human participants on the neuroprotective effects of resveratrol. I will cover this in a later video, so stay tuned for that. Now the one you've all been waiting for. Number 1. Grapes are excellent for skin disorders. Now, let me explain. Grape seeds extracts was considered one of the best botanical ingredients for anti-aging creams in 2010. In a clinical trial with young adult men, they applied a cream with 2% grape seed extract on their cheeks twice a day for 8 weeks. The study concluded several findings actually. Firstly, the authors suggested that the grape seed extract can be used for skin whitening. This may be due to the effects of certain compounds like resveratrol that can inhibit enzymes that are involved in the synthesis of melanin in the skin. Secondly, the treatment group has significantly improved skin elasticity at the end of the 8-week period. Thirdly, the grapeseed extract greatly reduced the oily secretions called sebum accumulating on the cheek. As you can see, grapes offer massive benefits to our bodies. Just by eating a handful of grapes regularly, our bodies are healthier and better off. Now, just before you jump off to another video, I have a quick summary for you. Starting from number 7, grapes are an excellent source of vitamin C and K. Number 6, they also exhibit potent antioxidant effects. 5, grapes have anti-cancer effects. Number 4, grapes have anti-diabetic effects. Number 3, grapes protect the liver. Number 2, grapes are great for the nervous system. And lastly, in number 1, grapes, especially grape seeds, are great for the skin. Now, if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up below and also make sure to press the subscribe button and press the bell to keep you updated with Brain Body Foods. Until next time, we will see you in the next video.